The AI industry is projected to generate over $1 trillion by 2030. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get a piece of that pie. Right now, everyday people are using AI tools to build income streams that keep paying them long after the work is done. In this video, I'm going to share 5 of the most powerful ways to use AI to build passive income. From content creation and digital products to automated trading, affiliate marketing, and even your own AI-powered software, these are strategies you can start today. So, if you're ready to see how AI can work for you 24/7, earning money even while you sleep, let's dive right in. The first way to make money with AI is through content creation. Think about it. Blogs, ebooks, and YouTube videos are digital assets that can keep generating revenue long after you've made them. And with AI, producing this content is faster and easier than ever. For example, AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 can help you draft blog posts in minutes. Once published, those blogs can bring in traffic through Google searches, which you can monetize with display ads or affiliate links. The same goes for ebooks. Instead of spending weeks writing, you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate, edit, and polish content, then publish it on platforms such as Gumroad. Every sale becomes a stream of royalties that adds up over time. And don't forget YouTube. Tools like ChatGPT for scriptwriting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory or Runway for video creation can help you produce videos quickly. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions, all on autopilot. The key is consistency. AI saves you time, but you still need to upload regularly to build momentum. Over time, these digital assets can turn into true passive income machines. The second way to make money with AI is by selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital ones don't require inventory, shipping, or storage. Once you make them, you can sell them an unlimited number of times, and AI makes the creation process faster than ever. For example, you can use AI design tools like Canva and Figma to create professional-looking templates for resumes, social media posts, or presentations. These can then be listed on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad, where thousands of people search for ready-to-use digital assets every day. AI can also help you build entire online courses. Tools like ChatGPT for lesson scripts, Tome for slides, and Midjourney for visuals make the process much faster. Once uploaded to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, every enrollment becomes recurring income. Stock content is another great option. With AI image generators like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, or Adobe Firefly, you can create unique stock photos, illustrations, or even printables like calendars, planners, and coloring books. These sell well on marketplaces like Creative Fabrica or even your own Shopify store. The beauty of AI digital products is scalability. You build once, upload once, and keep earning for months or even years. A perfect setup for passive income. The third way to make money with AI is through investing and trading. Traditionally, managing stocks, crypto, or even ETFs required hours of research and analysis. But today, AI-powered tools can do much of that heavy lifting for you. For example, AI stock screeners like TradingView, FinViz, or TrendSpider can analyze thousands of companies in seconds, identifying potential winners based on patterns, earnings reports, or market trends. In the crypto space, AI trading bots such as Pionex, 3Commas, or Bitsgap can execute buy and sell orders automatically, 24/7, without you needing to monitor charts all day. This kind of automation means you could potentially earn while you sleep. There are also robo-advisors and AI-driven portfolio managers like Wealthfront, Betterment, or eToro's Smart Portfolios that automatically rebalance your investments to reduce risk and maximize returns. Over time, this can create steady streams of income, especially when combined with dividend-paying stocks or index funds. But here's the catch. No system is 100% foolproof. Markets are unpredictable, and AI is not magic. There are always risks, especially in volatile spaces like cryptocurrency. The key is to start small, diversify, and use AI as a tool to support smart investing, not as a guaranteed money machine. The fourth way to make money with AI is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing has always been one of the most popular ways to earn passive income, and with AI, it's now easier to scale than ever before. The basic idea is simple. You promote someone else's product, and every time a customer buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. What AI does is take the heavy work out of building and maintaining these systems. For example, AI writing tools can generate blog posts that are optimized for search engines, helping you attract organic traffic without spending hours writing. For landing pages, platforms such as ClickFunnels or Swipe Pages, combined with AI copywriting tools, can create high-converting pages in minutes, making it easier to turn visitors into buyers. On top of that, AI-powered email marketing platforms like GetResponse.AI or HubSpot.AI can write entire follow-up sequences that nurture leads automatically, keeping your audience engaged and ready to purchase. When all of this comes together, you've essentially built a system that runs 24/7. The key is choosing the right products to promote and setting up your AI systems properly so the income flows even while you're asleep. Finally, fifth way to make money with AI is SaaS or tool licensing. If you're looking for a high-level way to generate passive income with AI, consider building or licensing AI-powered software. This is often referred to as SaaS, software as a service, and it's one of the most reliable models for creating recurring income. Here's how it works. Instead of selling a one-time product, you create or white label an AI tool that people subscribe to monthly. For example, this could be an AI writing assistant, a logo generator, or even a niche-specific chatbot. Once people start using it, every subscription renewal brings you income without additional effort. The good news is you don't always need to build from scratch. Companies like 𝐬𝐻𝐸𝐷, White Labelify, and even open-source AI frameworks allow you to rebrand and resell software as your own. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry while still letting you profit from the subscription model. The beauty of SaaS is scalability. Whether you have 10 users or 10,000, the system runs the same way. Over time, this becomes a steady stream of predictable, recurring income, which is the holy grail of passive income strategies. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways you can start using AI to build passive income streams. Remember, AI is just the tool. The real results come when you take action and stay consistent. Pick one method, start small, and build momentum over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more strategies on making money with AI, and let me know in the comments. Which AI income method would you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.